Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Mazda CX-5 that has a bare roof. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream BaseLine base roof rack system. That system consists of the JetStream load bar 50 inches in length, that's the small size, the BaseLine towers, a set of 4, and then base slips BC 130 for the front and BC 154 for the rear. So this system is the fit for the vehicle without the flush rails. So it just simply clamps onto the vehicle roof, has a total weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and a crossbar spacing of 30 inches center to center. So this system is compatible with a wide variety of different accessories, be it bikes, kayaks, cargo, pretty much you name it, it can handle it. So really great system. The load bars shown here are in black. They also come in silver. And if you like a more economical version, they have the core bar. But these are the most aero performing, so it's going to be the quietest system possible. So this is just a quick walk around on this vehicle. For more details, pricing, and availability, and to purchase the whole bundle with a couple clicks, click on the link in the description below. But like always, thanks for watching.